friends, it's the Stitches, and today's video is all about color coordination. I'm going to talk you through how to put together outfits based on color. So I'm going to start off with our monochrome outfit. Monochrome color scheme just means that it's based off of one color only. And for this, I've chosen pink. All of these outfits will feature pink as the main color, just to show you how these different color schemes can change up an outfit. So for this, I have my bubblegum pink top with a darker pink jean. Usually a monochrome outfit is considered a bit of a taboo in fashion, simply because it's been done poorly so many times that it's really easy to mess up. So here's how to do it right. You start by making sure that your colors are both either cool toned or warm toned. You can use neutral tones as well, but I find that most colors can pretty easily be arranged into either cool or warm. And you want to make sure that every color in your outfit is either cool or warm. You don't want the colors to clash with each other at all. You want them to look like a single meld from dark to light, and you want to vary your tones as well. That way you don't look like a giant marshmallow peep in all of your pink clothing. So I have a light pink with a dark pink, and then I have a black and a white just to break up that color, because you want to create a variety of values from dark to light in your outfit just to keep it interesting, and that way every piece can be the same color without it looking very bland. So next up is our complementary outfit. Complementary colors are colors that are across from each other on the color wheel. So your green and your red, your blue and orange, your yellow and purple, those types of things. I find with complementary outfits, it's really important to make sure that your colors are of the same intensity, meaning that they're the same distance from white and black on the color wheel. It's also still important to make sure that you're matching your hues, so either cool toned or warm toned. This apple green and bubblegum pink are both cool toned, so they don't fight each other at all. And they're the same intensity, so they look like they just go together. You also want to make sure that you have the color in your outfit balance out. So you want to have pink in all areas of your outfit and green in all areas of your outfit. So I have pink and green in my top. That's sort of the base of the outfit. And then I have on the bottom a pair of green pants and a pink purse. That way the colors look very balanced with each other. You can also add a white belt to sort of break up your color if you want, but it's not necessary. And last we have our analogous outfit. So complementary colors are colors that are across from each other on the color wheel, but analogous colors are colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. For this outfit, I'm still matching my hues, so both of these outfits are warm tones, and they're the same intensity as well. They're both soft pastels, so they look like they just simply go together as opposed to fighting each other. So you can see how these looks are all easy and effortless, but they still look incredibly polished. Color is a really powerful tool that can easily elevate any outfit, but if you do it wrong, you can also easily look like a hot mess. These outfits are purposefully over the top with their color, but these rules can easily be applied to neutrals like black, white, gray, brown, and a mix of a color. You can also use this in terms of accessories. There's really no way you can go wrong applying these rules to color in any outfit. They will always make you look more polished and more put together, so that you can get away with those bright colors if you want to. And you can also get away with making your outfit completely bright colors, but as long as they all work together as opposed to fighting each other, then you will look put together. Alright friends, that's it for today's video. I hope everybody has a good day, and I hope everybody thinks about color a little bit more in their outfits, and I will see you all next time. Bye!